horrific, tragic story of a 21-year-old young man who's lost his life. Had his whole life ahead of him, and his life has now been cut short after he was stabbed to death. This on Wednesday night, allegedly after an argument at a birthday party. And the police say that this young man had gone to his friend's birthday party near his home in Mangalpuri in outer Delhi. At least 4 of the accused too had attended the party. All of them knew each other. An argument and a fight broke out. An argument and a fight broke out at the party, after which this young man left for his home. The men followed him and attacked him with a knife, stabbing him in the back, the police says. And there's CCTV footage that has emerged of this fight that is, of course, playing out on your screens right now, of the fight that broke out near his home, where you can see people armed with the lathis and sticks. All of this has seen that armed with lathis and sticks can be seen. Let's listen in to what the police are saying, what the findings are from their preliminary investigations into this murder.
फरवरी की देर शाम मंगोलपुरी इलाके में एक रेस्तोरां में कुछ लड़के बर्थडे पार्टी मनाने के लिए पहुंचे थे। उसी दौरान वो लड़कों के बीच में एक पुरानी रेस्तोरां बिजनेस बंद होने के विषय को लेकर के, एक बिजनेस राइवलरी को लेकर के उनके बीच में झगड़ा हुआ और उसके बाद वो लड़के वहां से चले गए थे। इसके उपरांत उनमें से एक लड़का रिंकू के घर के पास में उस झगड़े में शामिल कुछ लड़के आकर के पहुंचे और वहां पे दोबारा से एक लड़ाई झगड़ा और मारपीट शुरू हुआ। मारपीट के दौरान रिंकू को चाकू से चोट लगी और इलाज के दौरान उसकी मृत्यु हो गई। इस घटना पर पुलिस ने तुरंत एफआईआर दर्ज करके 4 आरोपियों को गिरफ्तार कर लिया है और हम लोग परिवार वर्ग के साथ संपर्क में हैं और इस मामले की आगे की तफ्तीश अभी जारी है।
All right, so just take a look at these visuals on your screen. That's a CCTV footage capturing a fight at the home of a young man, a 25-year-old, who was stabbed to death in Delhi on Wednesday night, reportedly after an argument at a birthday party. Let's go across to Arvind Gunasekar, who is on the ground there in Mangalpuri. Arvind, the horrifically tragic story, because this young man was all of 25. He had his whole life ahead of him. What exactly are the police saying from the investigations into the matter? Because there are some reports that the family of this young man is also alleging a communal motive to his murder. But what is the police saying? Let's clarify that first.
Yeah, Sarah, in fact, a 25-year-old man from West Delhi, that is Mangalpuri, was stabbed to death allegedly by his own neighbors, and the case was registered by the Delhi police on 10th January. So this particular case, the FIR was registered by the Delhi police personnel based on the complaint from Manu Sharma, who is the brother of the deceased, that is Rinku Sharma. So the Delhi police had, when they registered an FIR, they had registered an FIR for attempt to murder and also under Arms Act against 4 accused, including Nasruddin, Islam, Jahid and Mehtab. So after taking up the case, the Delhi police started investigating the matter. So in the meantime, Rinku Sharma was admitted to the hospital and then he succumbed to the injuries. So after he succumbed to the injury, the Delhi police converted the attempt to murder FIR into a murder FIR, and the Delhi police as of this moment have arrested 5 people, including all those people who have been named in the FIR. So the family members are claiming that earlier, at least few months back, Rinku Sharma had taken out a march in the same very location here for collecting donations for the construction of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. That's where a scuffle, a quarrel, an argument broke between Rinku Sharma and on all these 4 to 5 accused. And according to the family members, these 4 to 5 accused, keeping that in mind, yesterday on January 10th, they attacked Rinku Sharma. That led to his death. So that's the version of the family members. But what the police personnel have said, not once, the police personnel on 2 occasions have clarified clearly that there is no communal angle here. In fact, they have made it very clear this is a case of a business rivalry. In fact, both these people, including Rinku Sharma and also all these accused, they had a separate eateries at Rohini, and due to some losses, all these both their eateries were closed, and because of that business rivalry, this particular crime has happened. So that's the version of the Delhi police personnel, whereas the family is claiming that there is a communal motive in this particular case. So sensing that this might flare up in this Mangolpuri area, what we could see here is the central armed police personnel have also been deployed at this location to maintain law and order here. So Delhi police personnel along with the central armed police force from BSF and also SSB have been deployed here to maintain law and order here. So as of this moment, Delhi police personnel have arrested 5 accused in this particular case, and they maintain that this is a pure case of business rivalry. Sarah?
All right, so the police maintaining that's the critical bit here, not once but twice, as Arvind Gunasekar points out there, that the police says that this is a case of a business rivalry. That is what has led to the murder of this young man. There is no communal angle involved behind his murder. And Arvind Gunasekar is at the police station at Mangolpuri. He has spoken with the police and is sending us this report. Thanks, Arvind, for that. Arvind also reporting that as of now, Mangolpuri, the area continues to stay peaceful and security has been increased on the ground.